We are in the, where are we?
It's a lakefront,
Front of the lake.
feeding the mosquitoes.
Yeah, may bisita kami dito, may RV sila o yun. Hindi namin kilala pero ano, nandito kami sa lake. Yan oh, as usual. Ayun. Oh, why are they trying to?
Maybe they're moving,
Sa? Oh,
pulling out or something.
why? Oh, they might have called them.
Huh?
They might have called them.
I didn't call. I don't have
No,
their phone.
somebody might have called them. We are here sitting down,
Enjoying the beautiful lake.
enjoying the beautiful lake. Oh my God. Enjoying the beautiful lake. Yeah. But there are mosquitoes. You feel me? You feel me? Oh my God. Don't touch the camera.